sir, what do you think the present generation or the new generation of fighter pilots can expect, keeping the pace of technology that is changing so rapidly?
Uh, Future pilots can definitely expect that fly-by-wire is going to become there in every field. It's already there in the leading fighters. The Sukhoi 30 has it. The Mirage 2000 has it for the last 35, 40 years. The LCA Tejas has it. The Rafale has it. And in future, any fighter aircraft which is going to come into our stable will have it. That's a given. Fly-by-wire definitely is the in thing and the happening thing. It's never going to go. I don't think it's going to go away. As far as the other technologies are concerned, like stealth, that will slowly start getting into the Air Force with new types of aircraft, with new types of weapon stores which will be stealthy. Stealth is going to come in because the thought process behind stealth is that you would like to avoid being detected by the enemy. In case you're avoided, if you avoid detection, your weapon or your aircraft can penetrate deeper and will be closer to achieving its purpose, why it is there in the sky. This is what fifth generation technology is broadly about: stealth, supercruise, the ability to fly for a long period of time at high supersonic speeds but without using reheat. That means your fuel consumption is lower and you can fly for a longer duration. You're also looking at multiple data sources like the radar, the infrared search and tracking system, the RWR, that is the radar warning receiver, all providing data to the pilot from all directions and from all spectrums.
Okay.
And there is, if this is not sort of collated and sort of, improved upon and fused together, there is a lot of confusion in the cockpit. After all, it's only one human being which is looking at so many things which are happening at very rapid rates and
Absolutely.
simultaneously almost.
Yes.
And therefore, the employment of artificial intelligence, deep learning, machine learning to fuse together this data and provide the pilot with a coherent picture without overloading his sense is what is the need of the hour. So, as time progresses, and when we get on to the sixth generation, we will have these capabilities come in to improve situational awareness, which is the key factor in deciding who wins in combat. If you are aware of what your enemy is doing and you are aware of what you are doing, you will win. And towards that, other features like teaming concept where you have got manned and unmanned aircraft teamed together so that they can operate in a pair, man unmanned team. You know, these are the things which you can expect in the future. You will also have the capability of very long range strike weapons which can be fired outside the bubble of the enemy air defense so that the launch aircraft is safe from any threats from the ground. You will also have the capability of you know um, thinking through what would be happening on the ground or against you, so that you will have inputs about what decision to take by decision support tools which will be available to you in the cockpit. You will have a lot of computing powers which will come about because of the increase in the capability of the computers and the increase in the capability of the sensors which provide information to these computers. And all these are going to get sort of increased by a huge fraction as time goes by. So there are challenging times ahead for us. This same capability which we as the Indian Air Force gets will also be available to our enemy. And therefore, one has to sort of fathom out what is the niche area where we should focus upon to win.